Welcome to a brand new video series from Grace Lutheran Church called How to Grace. I'm Brendon Moore. I'm the vicar here at Grace Lutheran Church in Winter Haven, Florida. And during this coronavirus pandemic and the quarantine that's coming with it, everything that Grace does as a community in person is going to move to online. That's going to include worship services and meetings that meet in the evenings, and all of these things are going to be held online if they're going to be done at all. And so worship services on Sundays and Holy Week and Easter and all those things are going to be live streamed on the internet, and some of our meetings are going to meet with Zoom, and we'll do some Bible studies on YouTube, and we'll have our giving available online as well. And so all of these things are great technological tools, but they can be limited if we don't quite know how to use them. And so the goal of this video series, How to Grace, is to guide us and giving us a little bit more comfortability with using these technological tools. So that way we can keep being Grace Lutheran Church even when we're quarantined to our homes for the majority of the month of April. And so that's the goal here, is to instruct us a little bit how to use these things. We'll look at how to access the live streaming each week. We'll look at how to give our tithe online at Grace Lutheran Church's website. We'll look at how to access our YouTube page so you can find everything that we post there. And we'll also look at how to use Zoom, how to start a meeting and schedule a meeting, and how to join a meeting. So all those things are coming at you here through this video series, How to Grace. And so stay tuned to this space for more information on that. So we'll see you next time with our next video, How to Live Stream. God's blessings to you.